State. Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, since assuming office as FCT Minister, he has brought to bear his wealth of experience, ensuring that Abuja regains its pride of place as the true capital city of Nigeria. His emphasis on quality service delivery, infrastructural renewal, and the welfare of residents is evident in the ongoing projects across the territory, from roads and housing to essential amenities such as this water project we are about to commission today. On your behalf, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with me very warmly His Excellency the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Chief Barrister Nyesom Ezonwo Wike, CON. I think he deserves a very loud round of applause. Thank you.
Please be seated. The Honorable Minister of State for the Federal Capital Territory, the National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, distinguished senators here, particularly Senator Barry Mpigi, Chairman, Select Committee on Works, Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan, Senator Mao, Chairman, Governor Council of the University of Port Harcourt, the Head of Service, the Chief of Staff, the Executive Secretary of the FCDA, Permanent Secretaries that are here, Chairman, Civil Service Commission, and Mandate Secretaries that are here, Senior Special Assistants, Area Council Chairman of Abaji, Buhari, Kuje, and Kwali that are here. Our dear traditional rulers, our dear traditional rulers that are here, the Managing Director of Staff of FCC Nigeria Limited, the press gentlemen of the press ladies and gentlemen, let me again thank the communities we suffer who have given support to the company to have easily rehabilitated this phase 2 of Lower Usman Dam. Just like the Minister Secretary has said, this project rehabilitation of phase 2 was awarded in 2022 to the tune of not less than 60 billion naira. Was awarded before the administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu came on board, before we were appointed as ministers. But by the New Hope agenda of Mr. President, the directive was given that water is life, water is an essential service that we must have to carry out to the residents of Abuja. And this phase 2, very important because it increased the carrying capacity and of course will improve water supply to the residents of Abuja. To underscore the importance of what Mr. President holds, phase 1, phase 3, and phase 4 have been awarded by the Federal Radio Council sometimes 1 month ago, and that of course will improve water supply throughout Abuja. Again, this shows our unfailing support for basic infrastructure. So many people have accused us that we're only concentrating on roads, even though that's the critical focus. But to let you know that we're also focusing on other essential things of life. September last year, Mr. President traveled to China and we signed an agreement with CGC to provide water for the satellite towns. I want to announce here that Mr. President will approve, and by tomorrow we'll start the flag off of one of the satellite water towns in Buhari, and on Thursday will be in Karu. Also for supply of water to satellite, and that is costing the government not less than 90 billion naira. All this is there to make life easier for the people of the FCT. We are not concentrating in the development of the cities. We are taking development to the satellite towns. I have told the Secretary, the Mandate Secretary of Education, to release the number of schools in the entire FCT under the Bola Tinubu administration that we have completed innovations and the ongoing ones. I believe by the time that list is released, Nigerians will know what we have done in the education sector. And I have told the Mandate Secretary to take the press around the rural communities and see the schools, what are trying to turn our schools to. It's very, very key. But let me use this opportunity to tell people that no amount of blackmail will stop us from being focused. No amount of blackmail will stop us from being focused. All through yesterday and throughout today, I've been watching channel television. They are focusing on so-called local contractors that are being owed. I will never be intimidated. Let anybody who said I awarded contracts to bring the documents and show how I awarded the contract. You see, the problem in this country is that when you want to fight corruption, corruption will fight you back. And it's corruption that is fighting back. And we are going to defeat corruption. I'll be on channel politics today. I'll be there tonight. And I'll let Nigerians know that the pain of our problem is indiscipline. I came on board with the Minister of State. Complaints that people are being owed local contractors, indigenous contractors. 5 billion, 8 billion being paid. I said, who awarded these contracts? Do you know what happens? Civil servants stay in their offices. Award contracts 15 million, 10 million, 20 million without the minister knowing. And then you will be a minister sitting in the office. And people will tell you that you are owing 15 billion naira when you don't know when it was awarded. Certainly it will not happen. Certainly it will not happen. Let heaven come down. Let heaven come down. Nobody can intimidate me on that. Let them show me the job that they are saying that we are commissioning. Let anybody come and show me whether all the roads we are commissioning are done by indigenous contractors. If you see the faces of those people, do they look at contractors? If you look at their faces, you will know. Those who awarded the contracts to themselves are bringing those people to come. They will continue to demonstrate. If you like, go to the British embassy or the embassy, sleep there. I will never feel perturbed. If I award contract, I will pay. And those who know me know that I don't award contract when we don't have money. The Federal Executive Council have awarded some contracts, and I told them, hold on, we don't have money yet. So don't mobilize. Let it not be now that you say you borrowed the money. Look at the faces that say they borrowed money. Cry as much as you want to cry, because I never awarded any contract. We must do things right. If it was not done right yesterday, it doesn't mean it will not be done right today. People must know that it cannot continue to be business as usual. You cannot embarrass me. It's not my business. Go and meet those who awarded that contract to you. Tell them that your children are out of school. I mean, it's very embarrassing. Very embarrassing. And that was what was happening. Sometimes, when there was no minister, you see a farm said, tell me, what kind of project 15 million? Of what impact? 10 million, 5 million, 25 million. Is that what will help the residents of Abuja? And you see them in budget, they split it like that, small. That's the country. Every budget, just look at it. You don't need to like me. I'm not here for any beauty contest. You don't need to like me. But we must do the right thing. Go and check my record. I have to bring down the required expenditure to 30% and make capital expenditure to be 70% because we need development. Every day you will buy computer. Every day you will buy computer. Every budget of all kinds of things. Today, our recorded expenditure is 400 something. Well, see, before every month, well, check what it is. Some people say, I want to travel to US about land administration. Look at it. You want to learn land administration, you go to US. I mean, there's no nexus, no connection. So, don't worry. I have some more time to go. By the grace of God, by the President's permission, if I stay here till 27, I've tried. Whoever that will come, let him give you the opportunity. Don't do any project. Kill the place, as we have always done. In my own time, there will be development, there will be growth. This opportunity that Mr. President has given to myself and the Minister of State, history will be on our side. The day we leave our shoulders high. That yes, we have done our best. Yes, we have changed the narrative in Abuja. Carry your love and go. Love without development, I don't want it. All I want is for the residents of Abuja to see the impact of government and governance. Not every time complaining. No wonder people are complaining, all projects in Abuja abandoned. Why would you not be abandoned? When funds are meant for development are channeled towards unnecessary things. When we came on board, every month, what was the idea? 9 billion. But as we speak today, by the grace of God, every month we are not less than 30 billion naira. If I allow it, we can be putting it in our pockets. Now we have come here now to commission this. If we are not saving this money, would we have paid the contractor? Who are these local contractors that will do this kind of job? If we are not saving funds, would the federal government approve the administration of phase 1, 3, and 4? If we are not saving funds, we will be starting providing water to Buhari and Karu and other satellite towns. Let us work for our people. Let us change lives. Computer every day will not solve us the problem. Going to America for conference for land administration will not help. What will help is development of our people, development of our communities, providing roads, providing schools, providing water, and providing security. That's what is important. We know how to criticize government, but who are those making the government not to work? Who are those making the political appointees not to work? Who are those? When I was elected as chairman of council in 1999, the first person who came to me was my head of administration, HPM, personal management. What did he tell me? The first day I sat in my office, he told me, "Okay, you know, this is your turn. We're here to help you. Anything you want us to do, we are supporting you. You won't go here empty-handed." That was the first thing. That was the first greeting I got. And of course, it won't work. He checked my record. I broke the record as the chairman of council. It's not easy. Well, ask them. There used to be one very strong man. They said he controls every chairman of council then. That I should not sit on that seat. And that anything he tells me is what I will do. I said, okay, no problem. I went to the office. I sat on that seat. I told him to go and call me the man. He came. I said, Around West, I hear that if any chairman sits here, you will control him. I said, okay, I sat. Come and control me. The next day, he applied for transfer and left. When I came to this place as a minister, the first day was to resume. People thought, oh, go and bring pastors to pray. Let us know that there are a lot of things that they are. I say, okay, no problem. No problem. I went there. Nothing. I will do my work. Nobody can influence me. Till I pray 24 hours, it will not work. If it is what is right, it will work. But if it is for your own selfish interest, for the government not to move forward, it will not work. So I will do what is right, and nobody will say, if you like, try from morning till night. On that note, let me invite my first leaders, traditional rulers, chairman of council to join us as we commission this and take a tour of the facilities to the glory of God. Thank you very much. For the glory of God, today, the 19th of August, 2025, we commissioned the rehabilitation of phase 2 of this Lower Usman Dam for the use of the residents of Abuja and for the happiness of our people. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. The rehabilitated phase 2 water treatment plant at Lower Usman Dam, Abuja, was officially commissioned by my humble self and the Honorable Minister of State on Tuesday, 19th of August, 2025, to the glory of God.
Thank you. You don't get that in Kobe? You come with your car? Oh. The good answer. Another company? The good answer. That's the name. You see what's up on it? One baby, one boy. Oh, okay. The person was telling me. Are they coming back? I don't think so. Usually the arrangement will go out.
How my children So I'm sure that when we're running out of points, it's all you.
Sorry.
That's what I always want to say. It's not our fault. When I saw the voice for me, it's not our fault. That's what. We have national anthem. No. Invited I'm sure I saw his voice for me. Good afternoon. How are you doing? I'll wait until everybody so that my people can come through. But I'm sure they won't allow me. They won't allow me. Not the water by you. Come and see the body. Come and take the